Hello everyone, it's SoTech Jeff, also known as Bernina Jeff, high fashion sewing machines in Grand Junction, Colorado. I am going to show you today what I call the ultimate kit for taking on to if you're going to a retreat, you're going to a sewing class and stuff. This has all my best gadgets and tools and stuff that you need to keep your sewing machine clean and running properly. And I'm going to go through each one here on what's in this ultimate bag of sewing gadgets. So we are going to comes in a zipper bag, and it's basically oil or waterproof except for the zipper part. So it comes with a perfect tip oiler. So this oiler basically won't leak. You can get the red cap for the black bobbin Bernina series. It comes in the yellow type of oil that is for all other machines. So if you're not getting this for a Bernina 7 series or 4 series or 5 series, you need the yellow part. It comes with a needle grabber. This needle grabber, you actually push on it, hold it onto your needle, and you can loosen the needle screw and holds on the needle while you take it in and out. And you just push on the end and it'll let it go. So that's a great little needle grabber. Comes with what I call the best perfect tweezers. They're offset and they don't have any little lines in the tips, so they'll grab onto a single piece of thread or whatever you want to do. Most wives say, I need another one because my husband found it and it's perfect for fly tying. Comes with 10 of these cleaning swabs. You can get in there and clean close to the areas where you need to clean. It comes with a handy pen light. So the pen light, I actually install the batteries in it too. So when you need to get into something and see where the dirt is or where something at, this pen light takes 2 AAA batteries. So you get your first 2 batteries on me. It comes with a caddy. I actually stick these on and you can swing that little ring out and hold your reading glasses or a small scissors or whatever right there. So that's your little caddy. Comes with a Vera tool. And they say, what do you need a pot scraper in your sewing kit? Well, this pot scraper is great for actually putting a crease in your cotton so you can actually finger press with it. Get it there, and then if you pull it down, it will give you a finger press. It also is great for the Bernina needle plates. You can hold it with the point out, push down there, lift up there, and you're not breaking your knuckles on getting the needle plate off. The reason I developed this is one of my staff, her mom is 95 years old and is having trouble getting this off. She sews every day. So this is the tool I developed for her hands that couldn't push hard enough and pull hard enough. So that's why it's called the Vera tool. That's her name. There is the handy dandy hook tool. This hook tool is a skinny piece of flexible metal that you can pull down any slot in your machine to help clean out threads and stuff. So it's a great little tool for cleaning out. It comes with personally sharpened, I sharpen every single one of these credit card knives. If you are sewing along and you get a jam under your project, you don't want to pull out and yank on your fabric. You want to unfold, you want to get something sharp. So I'm unfolding this knife and it folds into a knife. Now I can hold it and it's so thin you can slide it right in between your project and the feed dogs and cut out any those threads that are hanging in there. And I have made it sharp as a whistle. And then you can refold it back in to protect it, and it comes in a little plastic sheath, and now you can put it into your project, your bag. It also comes with a 12-inch pipe cleaner. And a pipe cleaner is wonderful for getting debris and stuff where the hook tool maybe get the big part, this gets the dust. So what I do with the pipe cleaner, I put it straight down the thread path and then pull down, and you can actually get it right there. You can actually get it between the eye of your take-up lever, wherever you need to get into a tight spot. It's a great cleaning tool. And then it comes in the zipper pouch. So all these things added up is about a $55 value. I'm selling it for $45.99 on my Shopify account. So you can get that, or you can call the shop, order it directly. Just tell us what type of oil. So the red cap oil is for the black Bernina bobbins. The yellow cap is for every other brand of machine. And all these products would be a perfect little kit to travel with you or just have in your drawer, so you can keep it flat in a drawer. You can lay this oil down, it's not going to leak, and it would just be a great tool to have. So you can get it at bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. You can call the shop at 970-256-1293 or email me at jpvlefty@aol.com. That's J as in Jeff, P as in Peter, V as in Victor, LEFTY at AOL.com. Thanks very much, and please subscribe. And if you need additional information, check down in the description area for the links to the items that I'm selling. Thanks.